In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and DJI Mini 3 drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The DJI Mini 3 drone is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect travel companion for adventures varying from hikes to beach days. With the use of the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the drone can extend its flight time up to 51 minutes, providing ample time to capture your desired shots. The DJI Mini 3 drone delivers stunning 4K HDR video, ensuring crystal clear aerial shots both during the day and at night. The drone features true vertical shooting, allowing for effortless capture of tall landmarks and providing the perfect orientation for social media sharing. The DJI Mini 3 drone offers creative features such as quick shots and panorama, allowing for dynamic flight patterns and capturing stunning views. The drone includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. Comparing the HS175D GPS Drone Package and the DJI Mini 3 drone, both products offer impressive features that cater to different user preferences. The HS175D is furnished with a 4K ultra-clear camera and a host of intelligent functions, such as auto trace and follow, and fly along a set path, making it an excellent choice for users seeking advanced functionality. It also boasts a longer flight time of up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 drone, though more expensive, offers a remarkable flight time of up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. It also excels in its compactness and lightweight, which makes it a perfect travel companion. Furthermore, the DJI Mini 3 drone has a unique feature of true vertical shooting that could be appealing to social media enthusiasts. However, it's worth noting that the HS175D has a higher number of reviews and a slightly lower review score compared to the DJI Mini 3 drone. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones would depend on the specific needs and budget of the user.